Ninja Chef, Japanese home cooking channel. Hello everybody, now I'm so excited to show you Japanese basic cooking culture. This is Takikomi Gohan, that is seasoned rice. We often put carrot, burdock and chicken into rice cooker with rice and season with bonito flake or kelp ball. I know this kind of recipe exists all over the world. I mean seasoning rice with ingredients. The feature of Japanese style one, we put all ingredients into rice cooker and simmering all together. So rice can absorb seasoning well and the rice texture is so fluffy. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a Takikomi Gohan that is slightly Italian style about seasoning. As you can see, I'm gonna use tomato can, Tsuna can for ingredients. And this is consomme granule for seasoning. Point of this recipe is instead of using Japanese specific ingredients, using tomato and Tsuna. This combination plays great harmony scientifically. So let's go to cooking. First, washing rice, pouring water and quickly drain water, then mixing gently. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times. Step 2. Preparing soup. In this step, we should be careful about total amount of soup. Namely, we have to calculate amount of water from out of tomato and adjust amount of water. This time to make it easy, using measurement. We can use all tomato can, then crushing tomato to some extent. Then adding water and make soup in this ratio. The more rice you use, the more water you add and keep the rice ratio. Step 3. Cooking rice. This time I'm gonna use rice cooker. If you don't have rice cooker, you can cook with a pot. Other video here shows you how to cook rice in a pot. Let's change the video with taking prepared soup and rice, putting Tsuna can and set rice cooker to normal mode. Here is excellent Takikomi Gohan. It's kind of easy Japanese version of paella. Japanese people usually use carrot, burdock, chicken to make this menu. Today, I've showed you easy versions of Takikomi Gohan. As an introduction to Japanese food, why not try? Thank you for watching this video. This channel will show you Japanese home cooking culture in a simple and easy and fun way. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe this channel. See you soon!